This video is about me taking a hollow log from a maple tree that was cut down by the city because it was a traffic hazard into the world's first log subwoofer. And I hope this is what it looks like when it's done. So we'll give it a shot and let's go. Upon completion of the project, I always like to critique it based on a scale of 1 to 5.
That's really cool. Will this make my life easier?
I hope you don't put that in the yard.
I can do it. A lot harder than I thought. Turned out okay.
It cost how much? Is somebody gonna wanna buy that?
That was not a total waste of time. That was a heavy beast. Nice, flat.
So you trace the outline of the log to make a little wall so you can pour the acrylic into it to create these shapes. I'm running these pieces of copper wiring that will be embedded in the acrylic to create kind of like a rebar for additional strength. The torch is used to pop the bubbles. I'm putting the acrylic into my little easy bake oven because it needs to stay at least 80 degrees for 12 hours.
Very nice.
I wanted these little copper bushings to stick out above the acrylic so that the screw, when it tightens down, does not crush the acrylic. wanted to make the stand so that the speaker just kind of snugly rested on top of it rather than physically attach the stand. The little black box is the controller with the microphone for the LED, and that controls how the LED is synced up to the music. Three little blue tubes that you see there are ports that are integrated into the back cover to let the massive amount of air that's being generated by the diaphragm of the speaker to be able to escape the speaker enclosure. I tried to estimate the total number of hours I worked on this, but it's probably about 100 hours. And with the final screw, it's complete.
Please hang up and try again.
I'll definitely use this. The only thing that didn't cost anything was the dead tree. Just like I prefer to drink. I know now. This was pretty tough. It was hard to get all these bubbles out. 300 just for the speaker. I'd have to sell it for $3,000. Mikey likey. You'll be joining your little brother and sister very soon.